Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Honey. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been subscribed, welcome back. Okay, I have some exciting news to share with you guys who has been on my journey for a long while. I currently live in Phoenix, Arizona. I just moved here about a year ago. Actually, a year ago till this date, February 1st. Okay, so today is February 1st and I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, and I just did something so amazing. I've been telling my subscriber this for a while, but I have officially upgraded my apartment and I'm so happy to share this video with you guys. I'm gonna show y'all a quick little tour of my new 1-bedroom apartment here in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm so excited. Anyways, this is nothing but like my orientation papers and my keys. So let's get started. I'm gonna just show y'all around really quick. I'm in the apartment right now, so I'm gonna go outside and act like it's brand new. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, time to view the empty 1-bedroom apartment. Same building, same amenities, but here is the living room, you guys. I have a window. Right here is the living room space. All right, now let's walk into the kitchen. This is the kitchen area. I have stainless steel refrigerator, appliances, dishwasher, and if y'all know me from my last video, I'm gonna tag it in the description, my last studio apartment tour. I have all these same amenities, but I have more space. Same double sink that I love so much. Oven, electrical oven with the glass tops. Microwave, and look at all this extra space. I want y'all to go back and look at my studio apartment. I did not have all these cabinets. I got one cabinet, another cabinet. I literally only had like 2 cabinets in my last studio. Oh, I'm sorry if this shaky, y'all. I'm so nervous. Another cabinet, more cabinet. Like, I got so much space. I'm so excited. Yeah, currently cannot reach up there, so. Oh, this is cute. A little side cabinet. Yes, okay. Oh, and another thing I didn't have in my studio was drawers. Like, I needed much more storage space. So I'm happy to have this cute little drawer. And another cute little drawer. Yep, so there we go. More cabinets at the bottom. I love all the storage and extra space so far. And this dishwasher, if you know me, you know this is never going to get used. I do not like dishwashers, you guys. I got chewed up because my people was in my comments saying, y'all was in my comments saying that if I don't use my dishwasher, it would get like rusted and molded. But my other one is sitting just fine in the other apartment collecting dust. It's just fine, okay? All right, so now we're going to move on to the bathroom. Let me step out. Okay, so this is the kitchen. And here's a walkway. Oh, and I forgot to mention, my maintenance man is gonna fix this light. It's supposed to be much more brighter in here, but the light bulb kind of went out because the girl that was in here, she literally just moved out. So I'm gonna have to do some deep cleaning and all that good stuff, but they did a pretty good job clearing it out. So it's all right. I just like when they clean it for me, okay? All right, so let's continue. We're gonna walk through from the kitchen and the living room to this walkway. We have our little sink vanity area, and look at how much more space I have with this. Bigger mirror, more countertop space. So beautiful. And I think I'm more excited about this part more than anything. This little, I don't know, I could probably put like a little chair there. I love it. It's nice. Look at all this, you guys. Ah. All right, so now we're gonna turn to the right? And we have the bathroom. Same bathroom style as my other studio apartment. All right, bathroom now. We're gonna leave the bathroom. And these bathrooms have these little buttons to flush the toilet. All right, now leaving the bathroom, kitchen, vanity, and last but not least, all right, so this is gonna be my bedroom. I finally got a bedroom. No more studio life, you guys. So here we have the lights, and we got the ceiling fan in here, and it's like remote control. All right, what I love about having a bedroom now is that it's really still small enough for my comfort, but obviously it's a bedroom. So we got the bedroom space. We got the closet. Finally got a closet, like a real closet with doors. And it slides. So I can put all of my purses up there. And my favorite part, y'all probably already saw a sneak peek. I told y'all I was getting my balcony. Yes! Got 2 double doors. Let's take a walk, and we got these blinds. Can close them. Oh, I'm so blessed. So freaking blessed. I really got my balcony overlooking the pool, you guys. That's all I wanted. I'm so happy. It's just crazy. I literally got my own balcony now. Overlooking the pool. So you guys remember when I used to sit over here? This was my little balcony, the public balcony right there. I used to sit there overlooking this view every day. Now I got my own view. I'm so grateful. Wow. That's it for the 1-bedroom tour. Let me go back inside so I can talk to y'all. And another big surprise. My rent, I told y'all in a few videos ago, my rent was $1,400 for the studio. When I bought this apartment last year, that was the market price, okay? Well, the market price, I think it's changed because they were online trying to give away 1-bedrooms for $1,300. So I actually got a discount on this by maybe like 50 bucks, y'all. So I'm paying almost the exact same price for the studio as I am going to pay now. So my new rent for this 1-bedroom is this exact same price that I'm paying for the studio. So I'm not like spending more money at all. So I'm so grateful. That's it for the studio apartment, guys. I got a long day ahead of me. I gotta get all of my stuff over here. It shouldn't take too long. And I gotta clean up and wipe some stuff down, of course. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I cannot wait to film, decorate, because you know I did not decorate my studio apartment because I don't know, I just did not have the inspiration because it wasn't the one that I wanted. I just moved to Arizona so abruptly, and I just did not put my energy, I didn't put too much energy into the studio because I know that I will eventually get the apartment I wanted. So stay tuned for like apartment updates. I'm gonna decorate the mess out of this. I'm so proud of myself. I'm growing up, y'all. I know I'm 30 years old. I'm not 30 years old, but I'm close. But it's just such an accomplishment to me, and I'm so proud of myself, and I can't wait to do it big this year. So that's it for the studio apartment tour. Love you guys so much. And I'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.